Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Music and Tech. Again, this is Kevin. We're approaching Times Square. You can see the billboards there. Beetlejuice. It's a musical comedy that is based on a story of Tim Burton. Beetlejuice. The story is actually based on Lydia Deet's life, a strange and unusual teenager whose whole life changes when she meets a recently deceased couple and a demon with a thing for stripes. You know, when I was still in Singapore, I always see the character, the demon that was part of that movie. He's always appearing in those streets of Universal Studios to surprise people. So we're approaching Times Square, just a few more meters. Times Square is actually a major commercial intersection, tourist destination, entertainment hub, and neighborhood in the Midtown Manhattan section of New York City. It is formed by the junction of Broadway, 7th Avenue, and 42nd Street. So together with adjacent Taffy Square, Times Square is a bow-tie-shaped plaza, 5 blocks long, between 42nd and 47th Street. So the thing about Times Square is that if you're in Manhattan, you will not miss it because it's the street where you'll find a lot of those digital billboards and advertisements. And these are businesses offering 24/7 service. It is also one of the world's busiest pedestrian areas. So additionally, the Broadway Theater District is also located here, which is the world's entertainment industry. I think this one is a television studio or a stock market. Yeah, stock market is here. Seems like. I may be wrong. You have Paramount Studios there. Oh, that's nice. And then you have the US Armed Forces recruiting station smack in the middle of Times Square. So if you want to join the military, that's a place for you to go to. And then on my right is Times Square Studios, an American television studio owned by Walt Disney. If you are watching Good Morning America, they do it here. And the people that walks behind the behind the hosts, every time they air that show, it's actually people passing this side of the street. You have Jollibee in my right, which is a Filipino famous fast food chain. And then on my left actually is CBS News, a competitor of ABC, a television and radio production facility on the west side of Manhattan City. So this is the East Coast hub for CBS, and the West Coast is located in Los Angeles. So I'll pause my video here. If you like this video, please click like. And then if you want to see my other videos, please do subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day and goodbye.